the world's agricultural sector is undergoing a significant transformation. Traditional practices are giving way to a more data-driven approach known as precision agriculture. This method relies on a network of sensors deployed throughout the farm to collect real-time information on various environmental and crop health factors. By analyzing this data, farmers can make informed decisions that optimize resource use, maximize yield, and improve overall farm efficiency. There's a wide range of sensors available for use in smart agriculture applications. Here's a breakdown of some of the most common ones. Soil sensors. Soil moisture sensors. These are critical for efficient irrigation management. They measure the water content in the soil, allowing farmers to water their crops precisely when needed, preventing overwatering and underwatering. Soil pH sensors. Optimal crop growth relies on maintaining the proper soil pH level, which affects nutrient uptake. These sensors monitor soil acidity or alkalinity, enabling farmers to make necessary adjustments. Soil nutrient sensors. Some advanced sensors can even measure the levels of specific nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in the soil. This data helps in targeted fertilizer application, reducing waste and cost. Environmental sensors. Air temperature and humidity sensors. These sensors monitor the surrounding environment, providing insights into factors like frost risk, disease outbreaks, and optimal times for planting or harvesting. Light sensors. Light intensity and quality are crucial for plant growth. Light sensors provide data on these factors, allowing farmers to optimize planting layouts and greenhouse conditions. Weather stations. Comprehensive weather stations can measure a variety of parameters like wind speed, rainfall, and solar radiation. This data helps in predicting weather patterns and preparing for potential threats. Other sensors. Location sensors, GPS. GPS sensors track the movement of farm machinery, allowing for field mapping, efficient route planning, and variable rate technology. VRT allows for adjusting fertilizer or irrigation application based on specific zones within a field. Yield monitors. These sensors mounted on harvesting equipment provide real-time data on crop yield. This information helps farmers identify areas of improvement and adjust their practices for better results. Drone-mounted sensors. Drones equipped with multispectral imaging sensors can capture data on plant health, detect stress indicators, and identify pest or disease outbreaks early on. Conclusion. As sensor technology continues to evolve and become more affordable, we can expect even greater integration of these tools within the agricultural sector. This shift towards smart agriculture has the potential to revolutionize food production, ensuring a more efficient, sustainable, and data-driven future for our farms. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.